Here's a real case study. I bought a house from an ex three-time Super Bowl winner for the Cowboys. Not going to give you his name, but he made a lot of bad mistakes after he left the NFL. Went basically bankrupt, and I had to buy one of their houses. They had people sending them all sorts of direct mail. You guys have been in these houses before, postcards this tall, everything on their door. Everybody is contacting them. But what they did was they went on the internet, they found my video, they called me, even though I was doing the exact same thing all those other businesses were doing. And maybe even then some of them could have even given them a higher offer. I was the one that bought the house, all because of reactive marketing, meaning they picked up the phone, they felt in control, they felt it was their decision, and they called me. And so they felt like they were in control of their situation, which is a lot different than feeling like they're being stalked or hunted. So you want to bring people to you instead of chasing people. It's a complete difference. You want customers chasing you, you don't want to be chasing them. So also what's going to happen when you have reactive leads and credibility in the marketplace because you build a channel, you're going to win heads up battles. This is what Jen was talking about right before. Some of you guys are still on here, that those videos that she's putting out, people now see her as credible. So if you have a microphone on stage, you're on a book cover, you're on television. We grew up in a generation with the television, and naturally we're inclined to see people on TV or on a screen that we're watching as someone is more important than us in the hierarchy of the way we look at our civilizations, right? Athletes on TV, politicians on TV. So naturally, by putting yourself on camera, unconsciously people separate yourself and put you at a higher level just because you're on camera. Whether you know anything about what you're talking about or not, you could be a complete moron, right? But you could be instantly put into a position of credibility. Same thing if you write a book, instantly credible on stage with a mic, right? So start thinking how to put yourself in a credibility position. So when I go out to homeowners' houses where I'm doing business, we're trying to recruit agents to our company. Compared to other agents, what they're going to do is they're going to go on the internet. They're going to see I'm all over the place. Then they're going to go talk to my competition, see that they're not even able to be found on the internet. Maybe they have a website. Who do you think the homeowner is going to go with? Some person's all over the internet, videos everywhere, credible testimonials. This person's a ghost on the internet. Who do you think is going to win if everything else is held constant, offer price, terms, everything the same? So you need to start thinking about how to get to the leads, but also how to win the leads. And that's what video marketing and social media can do both.